Today we'll be talking about building CRM reports using Atlas. If you were on the last webinar, you know that we kind of focused on the marketing manager and talked about goals and frustrations that they have. And today's webinar will be geared toward the marketing manager as well, really talking about specific reports that are going to help them do their jobs more efficiently. Another great feature with Atlas is the ability to build drill downs. So maybe I want additional information on each of these, and I want to know the responses that we're getting out of each of these campaigns. I can build a drill down. I go ahead and click on this button, and I click next to add this, and I want a new presentation. If I wanted to, I could use a previously built drill down. We won't talk about that in this particular webinar, but in a next webinar we can discuss that in greater detail. And we go ahead and design our drill down. This brings up a mini dashboard basically on Atlas desktop, and we can start building our drill down. Again, we have the same user interface. Notice we're in a different application, which is a desktop. We have the same ribbon bar. Everything looks exactly the same. We want a list of responses. We click next. Again, we're getting this information from CRM, and then we indicate the table that we're going to get this from. The table is going to be campaign response. And then we choose the fields that we want. We probably want a description. We probably want a response code. And that's probably all we need here for our fields. And then we click next to get to our filter. So this is going to be the campaign response. We know we need to get to a different field. So we go to our relations here, and we go to campaign responses, and from here we're able to get the campaign code. So we go ahead and click that, and then if we insert, we also need to apply. Notice we have a little red bar or orange down here that indicates we're not done. We need to apply this to our particular report, and we'll now have a drill down associated with that report. So notice for product launch, it's showing us all the responses that we received and who the company was when we received the response. Very important information. We know that these are people we need to follow up on. They're interested. Also showing somebody that says do not send marketing materials. As a marketing manager, we know that's very important. We need to code in our system not to contact them any further. If we go to conversion scans, again, we'll see the interested people or companies that showed interest with that campaign. We know that we need to follow up with them. And the same with the webinar invite. That concludes today's webinar. Thank you so much for joining. If you have any additional questions, do not hesitate to email or call me. And please keep watching on our website for additional webinars that will be coming. Thank you again.